Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new part 6 of this turbo build. I know it's been a while since I uploaded the last video, but it all depends on weather because as you can see I don't have any garage in here. I did have some problems with my hand. I've cut myself. You will see that in a bit. Anyway, in today's episode we are going to remove the front bumper, the headlights, everything from the front of the car to install the intercooler and the pipes, and we are almost ready to start the car with the turbo. So let's do this.
It's about time to work something on the E39. But wait, it's freaking snowy outside.
Now let's start working something on the E39. I'm just kidding, it's freaking cold outside. I just want to see how cold it is and to start this car a little bit. Whoa. Oh, look at that, minus 7.5 degrees. Today we are going to work something on the E39. Let me just take some shoe. Oops, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? Yeah, I've just cut myself with a screwdriver, so the E39 project should wait a few days. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah, it's really bad. The screwdriver, it almost come on the other side. It's that bad. So I have to wait, and I don't know how this called, but till here, till elbow, everything is tight. Finally, the hand is okay, and now we are gonna start working on the E39. We have no bumper, no headlights. I have to remove all the plastics from here, and I'm gonna try to fit the intercooler somewhere in there. Turbo is in his place. We have the oil for the turbo, and I still have to do this return line, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna try and see if the oil flows. It's gonna be like a few seconds. Don't worry, guys, just a few seconds to see if the oil is coming on this side. I'm gonna check the gauge if we have some boost. And let's do this. Yeah, I didn't have any power on the battery, but I think now we have 12.3 volts. That should be enough to start the car. So it didn't start. It didn't start because I didn't have any ground wire, because I removed the engine mount, and I've done some look at that. I hope it's gonna start this way, and let's try again. So look at that, the oil is flowing, from the turbo. Yep, so the oil is working. Let's check for leaks, but it's too tight to bring the camera in there. I'm gonna check for leaks. As you can see, I've mocked up the pipes a little bit. We have the intake in here. We are going to feed the piping through the old filter housing place. Okay, and we are going to fit the intercooler somewhere in here. I'm gonna bring the intercooler, test fit the intercooler, and I'm going to take all the plastics from here. We have to remove this plastic, and I think we have to remove this ventilator as well. I think I have to cut these two bolts because the intercooler is hitting directly in these two ones. I'm gonna cut these two, and I'm gonna zip tie the intercooler on this bracket. The front part is out, and check this out. I've managed to take this out. It's not completely out, but I managed to take it out without cutting anything. I'll put the nut in here. Ta-da! Now the intercooler sits perfectly, almost perfectly. We don't have any bolts now in here. This side is completely done. Yep. And now comes the fun part. I have to manage how to put the pipes from here underneath the car till here somewhere. And as you can see, I've already tried to put a pipe in there, and the pipe is gonna be in here, and I have to install it on the other side of the turbo right there, or I can clock the turbo again with the exit this side, but I'm afraid that it's going to be too close from the exhaust. I'm gonna figure it out, and we can start the car with the turbo, and maybe I can move it a little bit to the right, or I have to cut this pipe a little bit, then the whole assembly will go right. Holy crap, it's coming along. Check this out. So the intercooler, the piping, and I still have some room after the headlight. That's freaking amazing. Yeah, look at that. Unbelievable. Woohoo! Happy. Yeah, I'm very happy. This side is completely done, and as you can see, the headlight is in his place, everything is okay. I'm gonna try to fit the bumper to see if the impact bar is gonna hit this intercooler. So I've put the bumper to see if we have a fitment problem, and I look at that, how much space I have to push the bumper in. But check this out, the fog light is hitting the pipe. So yeah, check it out, the bumper is installed and I have more than enough place in here. I've removed the fog light, and in this way the pipe is fits. This side is done, so now I can make the brackets for the intercooler, and after that, like I've said, I have to try to put the pipes on this side, and on this side I can leave the fog light, because the pipe is gonna be like somewhere in here, it's gonna go underneath, so it's more than enough room. Yeah, please don't laugh. I've just mocked up like this, so this side, as you can see, is done from yesterday. So yeah, today is a new day, and on this side I still have problems to route the pipes. I've mocked up everything like this because I just want to test fit, and right there I have some problems because it's very tight in there. I need another diameter for the turbo from the exit from the turbo, and after that the pipes are way bigger than the exit of the turbo, so I'm gonna need a new hose, and I'm gonna route it like a U shape in here and under the climate compressor, and after that in here. Nothing happened because I don't have any power in the battery. So yeah, I took out the intercooler. I'm gonna take the pipes out because I can't start the car. I don't have any power in the battery, as you can see in there. I put the charger. I think that's about it for today's episode. I'm sorry guys, but join me on the next episode. On the next episode we are going to start the car, and till next episode I'm gonna order a new hose, and I'm gonna route it like I've said, from the turbo under the air compressor and directly to the intercooler, and we can officially start the car with the turbo. So yeah, that's about it for today's episode. Yeah, that's about it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Join me on the next episode to see the progress. Until next time, see you later.